just wanted to give a little advice to the newbies out there. If anyone's thinking about getting into the trades or the handyman thing specifically, just some advice on tools. A lot of people will tell you that you need to have really expensive tools, or you'll think that you need a lot of tools to do this trade. And I did not find that to be true. When I started this job, I had no money and very few tools. And I just got started by mostly assembling like IKEA furniture and different furniture like that. That eventually like hanging pictures, started mounting TVs. I just got started with very few tools, and I worked my way up. And every week maybe I would be able to buy a new tool. I'd go to garage sales and estate sales and pawn shops and buy tools for cheap. And that is how I built up my tools. A lot of these contractors will tell you you need high-end tools. You'll see all their things with all their videos with all their Klein and all their Milwaukee and their Nipex and their Vera and all this Snap-on stuff. You don't need that. You can get it. If you want to get it, you can get it. There's nothing wrong with having it, but you do not need it. You can totally do this job with cheap tools as long as you know how to use them. I personally think that a lot of these people showing off their tools do not know how to use tools, and they don't make any money with their tools. I'm sure there's some that do, but I'm sure there's some that do not. I use my tools every day. That's why I don't care if they look like crap or whatever. They get the job done. I know how to use them. They pay my bills. That's literally all I care about. That's all I'm looking for in tools, is one that gets the job done and pays my bills. Yes, I do have some nicer tools, and maybe someday I'll invest in all nice tools. But for now, these tools do the job for me. I like them, and they get the job done. So there's my rant. Get the tools you want to get. You don't have to get nice ones. You can get the cheap ones if you know how to use them. And if they break, get one that's more expensive. And that's pretty much my advice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope that it was useful to you in some way. And bye.